Here we have a 2014 Audi SQ5 TDI Quattro. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch grey alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the SQ5 badging on the front grille. Round to the passenger side, you'll find we have the side steps along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, we have the silver door mirrors. We also have the brush metal trim around the windows. We have the roof rails up top, along with the panel glass roof, which is currently open, the shark fin antennae, and also at the rear spoiler. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. More SQ5 badging as well on the rear tailgate. We have the quad tip exhaust. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre. We also have the fixed ISO points as well. We have the vents for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. If we take a look at the front, again the full leather interior, we have the SQ5 logo just on them seats there. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable, and there is a look at them. Again on the doors we have the electric windows which are out to the rear. We also have the electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights down there. We also have a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. We have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, along with the speed limiter and the cruise control just down there. We have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, which has the lights of the sat nav. We also have the radio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, a range of media. We also have the carbon fibre trim just there as well in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full lot of valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.